Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to install Tapo outdoor security Wi-Fi camera on your Android mobile. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to install Tapo outdoor security camera and the model is Tapo C325WB, then I will show you how to do this. You can see this is my Tapo outdoor security camera which is of TP-Link. And the model is C325WB. So I will show you how to set up or how to install in your mobile. First of all, you can see here you will find two connectors which is of LAN port. If you are using internet through the LAN port, you can connect your LAN cable to this. If you are using Wi-Fi, then you don't require this connection. Just you have to insert this power adapter cable to this. After inserting, the red and green light will display here. After that, you have to take your mobile, download one application which is called Tapo. Open the Play Store, then search for Tapo, T-A-P-O, which is of TP-Link. You can see TP-Link Tapo. Just tap to install. After completion of this install, then tap to open. First you have to create your TP-Link ID. Just tap on create a TP-Link ID, then select your country. After selecting your country, here you have to enter your email address. After entering the email address, then tap on next. You can see the email has been registered. Then tap to login. Then enter the password. If you don't know the password, just tap to forget here. After tapping the forgot, you will receive a notification on your email ID. Then you can reset your password from there. Then come back to this login page. Enter your email ID, enter your password, then tap on login. After successful login, you can see here in top right side corner the plus mark. Just tap on this, then tap on add a device. Select the camera if it is outdoor or indoor. This camera is outdoor camera. If you don't know this, just you have to take your camera box. In this inside of the box you can see Tapo outdoor security camera, and here you will find your model Tapo C325WB. Then select this outdoor camera, select the model of this camera Tapo C325WB. Then select the internet connection from which you are using. If you are using internet connection from the wire, you can select this. If you are using through Wi-Fi, then select this option. Then tap on next. Then you have to make sure that light is blinking or not in your camera. If it is not blinking, then connect your power adapter properly. After that, then tap on next. Then you have to go to their Wi-Fi setting. There you will find Tapo camera name. You have to connect to that device. Just go to the Wi-Fi setting. You can see Tapo camera. Just tap to connect. You can see it is connecting. Now it's connected. Then go back to this app. Now Tapo is looking for your Tapo device. A connection has been started between your mobile and camera. The device has been previously configured. Please reset your device. It is asking to reset the device. Then open your camera. Here you will find the plate. Open this two screw. Then here you will find reset button. Just hold this reset button for at least 5 to 10 seconds. After that, the light will start blinking. You can see the light has been started blinking. Oh, now just take your mobile, then tap on next again. Now it start pairing again. If it is asking again and again to reset, means the reset has not done properly. Just hold this power button at least 10 to 15 seconds. You will hear a reset successful confirmation. After that, the camera will be restart. After restarting, then tap on next again. Go to the Wi-Fi. After waiting some time, you will see a Tapo camera name here. Just tap and connect that one. Just tap to this Tapo camera name and the connection will start. Then go back to that app. Then the pairing will be start between your mobile and your camera. You can see the pairing has completed. Now you have to select the Wi-Fi. You can see this is my Wi-Fi. Just tap on select, enter your Wi-Fi password. After entering the password, then tap on next. Make sure your Wi-Fi name and Wi-Fi password. Then tap on next.
Connecting to Wi-Fi.
You will hear a sound from your camera connecting a Wi-Fi like that.
Wi-Fi connected.
As you can hear now, the Wi-Fi has been connected to your camera. Just wait for some time because it will take some time to complete all its process. You can see you will hear a confirmation beep sound. Now it will pair your Tapo device. You can see pairing your Tapo device. You can add your device name as per your choice. Just delete that one and type as my home. You can rename it whatever you want, then tap on next. You can enter your location. I'll select as office or living room. I'll select as living room, then tap on next. Choose a icon. It is of home, so I'll select as home, then tap on next. You can see the configuration has been completed. Just tap on sounds good. If you want to use a cloud storage, it will be free for 30 days. After that, you have to pay some of the amount every month. If you don't want to use this cloud storage, then tap on skip. Tap on got it. So what you have to do, you have to just insert the memory card from here. You can see the reset button. Just beside that reset button, you will find a memory card slot. You have to just insert that memory card slot here. You have to insert this memory card before all this setup. You can see insert a memory card. It's recommended to use a class 10 micro SD card or higher with storage of from 8 to 512 GB. Means it will support up to 512 GB. After that, let's tap on got it. You can set an update time. Whenever update is available for this camera, it will be update on this time. If you want to change this time, just tap on this and select as per your choice. Then tap on got it. You can see the camera has been added. Just double tap that, then tap and go. Just cancel this skip button. You can see the live preview. Suppose if you want to add this camera to your another mobiles, so that part I will show you in another video, because this device is installed only in one device. If you want to install this device in a particular multiple devices, then that process I will show you in another video. That's it guys. So in this way you can configure Tapo outdoor security camera in your Android mobile. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.